In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a website with Hostinger step by step, even if you've never built a website before. Hostinger makes the process incredibly simple because it includes hosting, a website builder, and templates all in one place. That means you don't need coding skills, you don't need expensive developers, and you can launch a professional website in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up hosting, create your site using the Hostinger website builder, customize your pages, connect your domain, and publish your website live on the internet. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in and start creating your website with Hostinger. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then log into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Hostinger dashboard, which is where you manage your hosting, domains, and websites. From the dashboard, look for the Websites section. Inside this section, you'll see an option that says Add Website. Click on Add Website to start the website creation process. Hostinger will now ask how you want to build your website. You'll usually see options like WordPress or Hostinger Website Builder. For beginners and the fastest setup, choose Website Builder. This option allows you to visually design your site using a simple drag-and-drop editor without dealing with technical setup. After selecting Website Builder, click Continue to move to the next step. Next, Hostinger will guide you through creating the design of your website. At this stage, you can either choose a pre-made template or use the AI website builder. If you choose a template, you'll see a library of professionally designed layouts for different types of websites, such as business sites, portfolios, blogs, and online stores. Simply pick a design that matches the style you want. If you choose the AI builder, Hostinger will ask a few questions about your website, like your brand name, business type, and description. Then it will automatically generate a website layout for you. Both options work well, so choose whichever you prefer. Once you select your template or AI-generated design, Hostinger will create the basic structure of your website. Now you'll enter the Hostinger drag-and-drop website editor. This is where you can customize your website exactly the way you want. You can click on any text to edit it, replace images with your own photos, and move sections around the page. If you want to add new elements, simply drag components like text blocks, images, buttons, galleries, or contact forms onto the page. You can also edit colors, fonts, and spacing to match your brand. Spend some time adjusting the layout so your homepage clearly explains what your website is about. Most websites also include sections like services, features, testimonials, and a call to action, encouraging visitors to contact you or learn more. After customizing the homepage, the next step is to add the important pages your website needs. Usually this includes pages like Home, About, and Contact. In the Website Builder menu, look for the Pages or Navigation section. From here, you can create new pages and organize them in your site's menu. The About page is a great place to explain who you are and what you do. The Contact page should include a contact form, email address, or other ways visitors can reach you. Hostinger makes it easy to add these elements using the drag-and-drop tools. Make sure to preview each page so you can see how it will appear to visitors. Once your website pages are ready, the next step is connecting your domain. Your domain is the address people will type in their browser to visit your website, like yourwebsite.com. If you purchased a domain through Hostinger, you can simply select it during setup and connect it to your site. If your domain is registered somewhere else, you can still connect it by updating the domain's DNS settings to point to Hostinger. Inside the Website Builder settings, choose the domain you want to use and confirm the connection. This step ensures your website will appear when people visit your domain name. Finally, once everything looks good, it's time to launch your website. At the top of the editor, you'll see a Publish button. Click Publish and Hostinger will make your website live on the internet. Within seconds, your site will be accessible to anyone using your domain name. Before sharing your site, it's a good idea to quickly check it on both desktop and mobile preview to make sure everything looks clean and professional. And just like that, you've successfully created a website with Hostinger. If this tutorial helped you learn how to create a website with Hostinger, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website building tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.